if I told you that you can make an extra $1,000 per month within these next upcoming months by selling a digital product that you did not create? Would you be interested in it? What if I even told you that this digital product will only cost you $25 full price, or $625 if you use the payment method for the payment plan? Would you be interested? Are you ready to make some money? What is your excuse? So right now, at the time of this video, we are approaching a new year, which everybody knows new year means new me, new goals, okay? And because of this is where your digital product store needs to come in, or this is where you need to add this to your digital product store if you already have a digital product store, so that you can gain more sales. We are in a time where everybody is getting ready to start their new goals. Everybody is trying to be more productive. Everybody is trying to get into that girly girl era where it's giving, I'm making more money. You know, we're trying to turn up for the new year. And because of this, you need to tap into the manifestation era. Within the manifestation era, this is going to be people who are trying to journal so that they can show gratitude and they can be thankful for them to just, you know, get into writing about what they want for the new year. You have people getting into buying planners because they want to write down the things that they want to do every day so that they can be productive. You have people literally trying to do the self-work so that they can become a boss, or so that they can show self-love to their self on this new journey. So with this means that you have the opportunity to create more money for yourself, and I'm going to show you exactly what you are going to get within this bundle. And like I told you guys, this bundle is already created for you, and within this bundle, this is exactly what you're going to get. Everything you're going to receive is going to be the Art of Manifestation ebook. And in this ebook, these are going to be the topics. It's going to tell you about understanding the power of manifestation. It's going to teach you about the law of attraction, how to use it to your advantage. It's going to talk about how to set intentions, the foundation of successful manifestation. We'll talk about the visualizing your dreams, your affirmations, the power of positive thinking, taking action, putting manifestation into practice, overcoming the limited beliefs, because as I always tell you guys, in order for you to make money, you have to first believe that you can make this money. So if you have a hard time with believing that you deserve this or that you can make this type of money, this is going to be great for you as well. Not only for you to just sell, but for you to read this and to go over for your own thoughts and your own beliefs. It got the manifesting abundance, attracting wealth and prosperity, and also the manifesting love, attracting fulfilling relationships into your life. The next one is going to be the manifestation workbook, and this is going to be 40 pages, you guys, basically just giving you points, and then for you to just write about your life and the different things that you want within your life. And we also have, you know, like different things for you to speak into your life, and all of these good things. Have your vision board workbook. This is going to be 22 pages, and this is just literally going to be like a vision board of what it is that you want in your life and the things that you believe about yourself. This is going to be the Law of Attraction Planner. It comes with 40 pages as well. Different routines and different things for you to go through, as you can see here. And you have your manifestation journal. This is going to be 17 pages. And this is all that it's going to talk about: the evening routine, thought pattern, money blocks, vision board, meditation tracker, morning routine, journaling, notes, all of that good stuff. You have your wealth momentum. This is going to be 33 pages, and it's going to talk about transforming your vision into reality so that you can start receiving wealth. And here you have your affirmation cards, which are going to be 21 cards, and this is a PDF,
but it can be printed out for someone who wants to hang this up so that they can see it every day. Money is a tool that helps me live my best life. I always achieve my money goals. New opportunities fall into my lap constantly. Like, these are going to be affirmation cards that someone can use, and they can hang it up on their wall so that every morning they wake up, this is what they're going to speak into the atmosphere.
So these are different things that you can sell, and I highly suggest that you take this and you leave it like it is within a bundle deal, because people are quicker to buy things when it is bundled up and they see how much they are getting at a very affordable price. So I highly suggest that you take this bundle and you resell it just like it is, and you sell it for about $50. And if you're selling this for $50, in order for you to make $1,000 extra in a month, that means that you only need to sell 20 of these for the entire month minimum, and that's only 5 of these digital products in 1 week, you guys. Now you can take this and you can sell each of these individually, but what I have seen that has worked for me is when I bundle up digital products and I put them all into one bundle at a very affordable price. It's really like a no-brainer. It's like, okay, this is too good to be true. Let me go ahead and purchase this while it is available. So you want to go ahead and get that bundle, and like I told you guys, you can get it for $25 or you can get it for only $6.25 if you use the payment plan method. Now, in order for you to make sales, I always tell you guys that you need one social media platform to stick to, and that's going to either be YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok. Me personally, my favorite platform is YouTube, because once you create your videos, you will continue to see sales and you won't have to worry about constantly having to promote multiple times within a day. Now, if you're someone who does not want to show your face, what you can do is also purchase my bundle deal that has reels that are aesthetic and pleasing to the eye. And with this bundle deal, you're going to get 1,600 faceless aesthetic reel videos. With this bundle, you're going to either create YouTube shorts here on YouTube, or you're going to create Instagram reels or TikTok reels, and you're going to type different things on the screen that's going to be about manifestation, that's going to be about having an abundant life. Like, you want to go onto ChatGPT and you want to ask ChatGPT to give you 30 days worth of content of hooks for manifestation, hooks of an abundant life. Like, you just want to put in a prompt where ChatGPT gives you the scripts or gives you the hooks that you need for your videos, depending on how you're going to set this up, and if you decide that you want to go faceless or if you want to be on camera as I am doing. And when you get ready to promote your products, what you're going to do is make sure that you're talking about how people can be successful, how they can become a rich girl, you know, get in their rich girl era, how they can live a soft life. You can talk about, you know, the visions and just showing them different things on how to have a better life. And once you start to show them this is going to be the valuable information that you're going to be given for free, but then you're going to also have the offer for them. You're going to say, my link is in the bio for you to go and purchase, you know, the journal. If you're showing them where you're getting up every morning and you're journaling and you're calling out those affirmations in the morning, like, whatever you decide to do, make sure that it's going to come back to them purchasing from you. Every time you get ready to upload a video, you want to ask yourself 2 things. Is this giving my potential clients or customers valuable information, or is this bringing in sales for me? If it's not aligning with neither one of these, then you may not want to promote those videos. You may want to find different things to do that's gonna bring sales in consistently. It has to make sense, and you have to have a strategy. And the strategy that has worked for me within these few years is basically giving out valuable information and making sure that I still let them know, hey, I have this to offer. But you don't want to be so salesy, but you do want to make sure that your potential customers know that you do have the solution to their problem. So if I'm someone who's trying to visualize this life for myself, I can make sure that I come in by saying, hey, I have these affirmation cards that you can print off, and you can use these affirmation cards every day to hang up on your wall, and every morning you wake up, you're going to read these affirmation cards. Hey, you need to get into journaling, because every morning you wake up, you need to make sure that you're journaling to your higher self, that you're telling yourself that you can and that you will do this, and that you're showing gratitude and you're thankful for where you are and you're thankful for where you are headed. Like, you have to make sure that you are aligning your business with selling digital products with the customers who need these products. So that's going to be it for the money manifestation bundle. I hope that this was helpful for you, and like I said, I hope that you go ahead and tap into this, because this is December of the time of this recording, and you guys, I know the next 4 months, the first quarter is going to be very, very busy. A lot of people are trying to get their lives together, and a lot of people are going to spend money on these type of things. So if you are someone who's looking to make an extra $1,000 a month, go ahead and get your bundle today for $25, so that you can go ahead and tap into this industry, because it is about to take off. Every year, I'm sure even yourself, you have bought either a journal or a planner or some kind, and you have probably even did a vision board. So because you know that this is something you already spend money on, why not go ahead and make money from it if you can? If you don't know where to sell this, you can use my link below that's going to be down in the description, as well as where my website is located down in the description, so that you can get these bundles. But if you need a website, I highly suggest that you start with Stand Store, because they do give you a 14-day free trial, and then after that it's only $29 a month. So I hope this video was helpful for you guys, and I will see you back here on my next video. Bye.